Hello, my name is Thay Johnson. I'm a technician here at Stack in Round Rock, Texas. Today we'll be going over the Fisher-Paykel dish drawer. The majority of the calls we receive here at Stack are on the model DD603. The most prevalent call we receive is on the F1 error code. Today I will be going over how to remove the dish drawer and how to troubleshoot for the F1 error code. First, turn off the power supply to the dishwasher. Secondly, do not forget to turn off the water supply. Always empty the dishwasher before removing the drawer. Lay a protective pad on the floor in front of the dishwasher so you have somewhere to safely place the drawer once it is removed. Remember, there may be some water left in the tub, so be careful not to spill it on the floor when removing the drawer. Now you are ready to remove the drawer. First, pull the lower drawer all the way open until the rail hits the stops. Located at the end of the rail on both sides of the drawer is a tab or tub clip. Press in on the tab and slide the rail about 2/3 to the rear. Repeat this on the other side. Grasp the drawer by the handle. Pull up on the front. Lift the drawer off of the rails and move to the left side. Slide the left rail in to clear the hoses. An F1 error code signals that a flooded condition has occurred. When both drawers are indicating an F1 error code, remove the lower drawer. The flood switch is located in the bottom back left corner under the plastic cover. To remove the cover, use a flat blade screwdriver to depress a tab on the front center of the cover. With the tab depressed, slide the cover to the right and pull up on the cover to remove. Here is a close-up view of the tab that will need to be depressed. On top of the cover is an illustration of how the cover can be removed. Here is a shot of the flood switch with the cover removed. The flood switch on this model is electronic and part of the main AC filter board. Here is a close-up of the AC filter board. To remove the filter board, remove the ground screw. Press the tab on the left side away from the board. Lift the left side of the board up and slide to the left to remove from the chassis module. Here is the sensor for the flood switch. It protrudes down through the chassis module. In LIS, the flood switch is key number 15. The description in LIS is main filter roam. To troubleshoot the F1 code, check to see if there is water in the base near the filter board. If there is, the first step is to dry out the base. The dishwasher will only operate the drain pump until the water or flood condition is resolved. Once the base is dried, inspect the water valve and hose which is located next to the filter board. If there are signs of leakage, replace the leaking component. If the water valve is not the problem, the next item to check is the drawer lid. To check the drawer lid, put the dishwasher into a manual test mode. Select the key function to operate the lid actuators. Observe the lid being lowered. If it does not drop to the proper level, check the actuator motor assembly for stripped threads. The threads can be stripped if an item too tall was placed in the dishwasher, preventing the lid from closing all the way. Here is an actuator assembly removed from the dish drawer. These are the threads that may be damaged. This is replaced as an assembly. The actuator motor connectors are different from the top and lower drawers. This is to ensure that the lid will close on the drawer that is being operated. Another item that can mimic a flooded condition is oversudsing. Check for signs of oversudsing down the sides and back of the tub. There is a vent on the rear of the drawer. If oversudsing occurs, there can be a small leak from the vent. The tablets and gel packs may not dissolve completely during a dish drawer cycle because of the low water usage. This information can be found in the owner's manual. Make sure the customer is using the proper dishwasher detergent. Also check for excessive foaming from overuse of rinse aid or spilled rinse aid. The next most likely items to be checked are seals located in the pump housing and heater plate. This can be observed with the drawer on its side as shown. This drawer has a clear housing, so moisture can easily be detected. When only the top drawer is giving an F1 code and the lower drawer seems to be operating, the flood sensor or lower drawer main control are the likely problems. First, check the main AC filter board for any signs of damage or burn marks. The flood sensor is monitored by the lower drawer main control board. If there is a malfunction in this board, the upper drawer can receive a false signal. To access the main control board on the lower dish drawer, grasp the locking pin on the right lower side of the dish drawer with a pair of pliers. Pull the pin out and repeat this step for the left side. At this point, the front panel will be loose. Pull down and remove the front panel. Do not forget the ground wire that's attached to the front panel with the ground spade clip. Here are a few other tips on the dish drawer. The model number tag is on the left side of the frame below the upper drawer. When removing the upper drawer, use the lower drawer to help support it. To access the tech sheet, remove the lower drawer. The tech sheet is taped to the inside of the back cabinet wall. In this video, we've gone over how to remove the dish drawer and how to troubleshoot for the F1 error code. If both the upper and lower drawer are flashing the F1 error code, check for the cause of the flood condition. If only the upper drawer is flashing the F1 error code and the lower drawer is working okay, check for any damaged components on the lower AC filter board and or replace the lower drawer's main control board. I hope these tips have helped, and as always, be sure to call Stack if you need any further assistance.